flag stop, and I'm doing all right. So we'll see. I only took a 15-minute break, and I'm ready to go. I'm documenting my ride so I can remember that I've done this year, 2016. Okay, I'm at the 21 mark, and it's only 10 o'clock. Really 5 after 10, and I'm doing real good. So I probably should have done the 48, but I'm doing the 31 today. Okay, here I am, the Porter Johns. I really only did 31 miles, but this is my therapy session, and I did so good that my therapists have allowed me 2 beers. It's not bad, huh?
Famous.
All right, yep. 48. How many miles did you do?
We did 48.
48.
Yeah, we always did the 48.
48, woo woo! 48.
All right, well, y'all just really making me feel bad because I only did 31.
Just say
So,
48.
Walter,
All right,